Guys, can you please like and subscribe? Because look at my eye. Can you please like and subscribe so I feel better? And I want to be famous, but my all subscribers and likes, they're all low, and other YouTubers, they're all 1,000 like that. I just have 9 subscribers and 1 like. I don't know what it was like it because I'm a kid. Please like and subscribe. I just know the subscribe button because I can see it. Please like and subscribe so my this in my eye can feel better. Please like and subscribe. If you visit to my home, if you want, it's just go to Matinapanggi and you see NCCC, and there's a yellow that you can ride on and say sikat. And now if you see a yellow flowers, that's where we live. Please come to us or just comment, because I don't have any comment, and this girl just commented in my video. She said a bad words on my video, please, but she apologized. Please like and subscribe, please.